we've arrived at Ingham, and if you go to the Tourist Information Centre, there's a camp area out the back. You just go in there, you can stay for 2 nights, $15 a night, and there's dump point and you can fill up with water.
Cool.
And we're going to go and check out, because there's a walk that you can do around the wetlands, and it's just a little stroll through into the town. So we're going to go and check that out, see what there is.
Let's go.
Let's go. Nice little spot. Really nice. Loads of room. I think they only have about 18 vans. And there's part of the wetlands over there. And the tourist information is just up there.
So,
Go
be warm. Be warm. Might be the old crocodile around. Nice, isn't it? What do you think, Denise? Nice?
Beautiful.
A little spot, isn't it?
Now, not that we've become bird spotters, but on the information it tells you all the birds that you can spot. So we are actually going to see if we can spot any.
Because we're bird spotters.
Avid bird watchers.
Yeah, you are, aren't you? Oh, that's nice, isn't it?
There's a little walkway to take you above part of the wetlands. Let's go check it out. Oh, it's the turtles. Oh, well, there is loads of them.
Sorry?
Oh. Yeah. Now we've come back to get changed because the walk around the wetlands is a couple of k's. Here goes. Wonder Woman. We spotted some little wallabies over there.
There they are, look, just there.
Ah.
Cute, isn't they?
Yeah. Keep an eye out for crocs. That's pretty.
Yeah. Nice
Look at the
little wetland.
flowers.
Yeah. Beautiful. A little spot. This is the viewing platform over the wetlands, the start of the wetlands. It's lovely. Really nice little spot, isn't it, Denise?
Yeah, you could imagine crocodiles in there, couldn't you?
Yeah, there could be crocs in this waterway. It does say the signs, isn't there?
Yeah. There's one of those birds over there drying his wings. Darter.
Yeah. Nice, isn't it?
Yeah, beautiful.
A little spot.
Go on, Gaz. You go stand by the water and I'll take your photo.
No. Where we're going today, Denise?
We're off to Wallaman Falls, which is about an hour's drive from Ingham. It's the longest drop waterfall in Australia, permanent waterfall. So it should be really cool, and we're going to try and do the walk down to the bottom, even though it's going to be really, really steep coming back up. Give it a go.
Yeah, we think it's about 270 metres, 269 or something like that.
Something like that, yeah.
The actual drop.
Yeah.
The walk, I don't know what that'll be, we'll check that out when we get there, but it's well over 200 metres down, isn't it?
Yeah. I think it's over 3k's return, so it's not the distance, I think it's just because it's steep, trying to come back up.
Yeah.
And obviously down as well can be equally as hard.
That's
but
right.
we love the challenge! Bring it on! Yay!
Bring it on! Here we go. We're on our way.
Killer cows again on the road.
Yeah, look. Right on the road, look.
Yeah.
Look at you, just so what?
Come on.
Down the road.
Pushing the baby over, look.
Yeah, look.
Oh, no,
Just go first gear and just cruise along, you'll be fine. Killer girls.
Scary. Yeah, gave the baby a bit of a nudge to get over.
Yeah, that was in the way, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Could be cassowaries on the road. I wonder if we're going to see one. What do you reckon?
Cassowaries. Scary. Scary stuff.
We'll have a look. Hopefully we'll see one.
Yeah.
Be cool, wouldn't it?
Oh dear. That's what you get when you drive through cowpats. I think I know we'll be washing it off. Gaz, think it's going to be a bit steep coming back up.
That's alright, get your heart pumping, isn't it?
Work that charber. Work that charber. Come on, fat boy Slim. Well, there's a chain there. Pull yourself up if you're exhausted later.
Probably got this bit here. When you get down there, won't be no chain.
No, you've just got to climb rocks. Climb the cliff face.
Yeah, and there won't be none of this. It's just smooth rock. What they say?
Yeah, come in.
There's a wimp bench ready for when Denise comes back up, because I know she'll have to sit down there.
Never. I'll be running my way back up, like the SAS, full pack on, running it. Here we've got our coffee, water, wrap attacks, nuts, bananas, mozzie spray. That reminds me, the ranger gave us a good tip because they'd had a bit of rain here last night, and he said there might be a few leeches, so just spray the top of your socks, which I never thought to do. We always spray our skin, but he said spray your socks, so that's what we've done. So hopefully we won't get leached. Well, this is something we've never come across before. Stinging trees are found along sections of this track.
The sting is extremely painful and symptoms can persist for several months.
Oh no, so we've got to look for large heart-shaped leaves, or basically don't touch the trees.
Ooh.
Ooh. No tree hugging today.
Certain ones, yeah. Be careful. Okay. Look at that.
Oh look, there's a viewpoint here.
See the rainbow?
Oh, I can sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow.
Sing a rainbow.
Wow. Right, let's keep going, let's get down there.
It looks like we're finally at the bottom.
We made it.
We're here. Look at that.
Wow. Oh, it's amazing.
The rainbow.
Oh yeah, look, there's a rainbow. We was hoping to go in for a swim where the falls hit the bottom pool, but the rocks are so slippery trying to clamber over. We've stopped just short. Gary's trying to make it to me. Be careful, Gaz. There's so many rocks. So we got as close as that, which is pretty amazing. I suppose you could go in there.
It's not very accessible.
No, but it's all natural. It's all these massive boulders, and you're tripping up arse over tip every couple of metres.
Everything's slippery, isn't it?
Everything's slippery.
Rock.
Oh well.
It's good though.
Coffee time.
We're getting wet.
Yeah,
get the shower now.
get the shower. It's beautiful.
Yay. Hard to get to though, isn't it?
Yeah.
To get in and
I
out.
reckon people, they go in
Oh,
there.
you'll struggle to get in and out there though.
Yeah.
Hang about, nearly fell over then. Oh, I can't get Niece's head in. Niece's down there.
We're a bit taller.
Yeah, well, we walked all the way down. Had a coffee. Sort of waterfall from below, which is fantastic.
Scrambled over the rocks, stepped over a few times.
Yes, nearly broke our leg a few times. And then we've got that lovely walk back up the hill now. So how awesome is that going to be?
Oh, it will be a long slog, but it's worth it because this was 150 million years in the making. So
if you're here, you might as well come and see it.
yeah.
Awesome. Let's go. Right, we're walking back up. It's a long way. It's 2 kilometres straight up this track, and no one sits down on this walk. No one. But there seems to be a bit of a problem with the other half. She's only gone and sat in the wimp's chair.
Oh no, I got caught on the wimp's bench.
Oh, it's just embarrassing, isn't it? I just can't believe it. I mean,
just divorce.
Why? I'll tell you what, it's pretty close. I'm going to have to reassess a few things over the next few days and then realise if you're still in this team. Because, no, I'm not happy about it. Jeez, what a wimp.
Well, I won't lie to you. That was pretty steep coming back up. Got the old heart pounding. So what shocked us, you see couples with no water, doing it, no water, no food or nothing. Always take water and a bit of grub, because if one of you hurts yourself and it takes you twice as long, you might need that for a bit of energy. And or you've got to be left and the other one goes and gets help. At least you've got some food.
Yeah, and also a warm drink,
yeah.
Tea, coffee, whatever.
Always coffee. Even if you don't like it, take it. You need coffee. Lunchtime.